How to make a 3D cube shape in Davinci Resolve. Right-click in the Media pool and select New Fusion Composition. Double-click on the composition to open it on the Fusion page. Click anywhere empty, then press Shift plus space. Search for Shape3D and add it. Add a Merge 3D and a Renderer 3D after it, and connect them to Media Out. Click on this icon to enable two viewers mode. Select Merge 3D and press the 1 key on your keyboard to see it in the left viewer. Select Renderer 3D and enable lighting and shadows. Select the Shape 3D and change shape to cube. Click and drag one of these arrows to change the position of the cube on the X, Y, or Z axis. Select the Merge node and press Shift plus space. Search for Spotlight and add it. Then right-click on the bottom right corner of the viewer and choose Top. Drag the blue arrow of the spotlight to the bottom to increase the Z value. And as we drag, we can see the shape in the right viewer because now the spotlight has some distance from the shape and lightens it. Decrease intensity and increase angles of the light to make it softer. From the Transform tab, you can rotate and transform this light. Now select the Shape node and click on the Transform tab. Right-click on the Rotation Y property and choose Modify with Anim Curves. Now in the Modifiers tab, set Scale to 360, set Curve to Easing, and In and Out to Cubic. Here we want this cube to rotate from 0 to 360 with Ease Curve. To change the color of the cube, we have two ways. First, in the Material tab, choose a color you like. Another way is to open up Effects panel, expand Templates, expand Fusion, and click on Shaders. Here bring any of these shaders and connect it to Shape3D. At last, go back to the Edit page, bring the composition into Timeline, and use it.